officer, I can explain. Listen, I'm not like the Zonda, Honda, what Nanda kids, you know that. You see, I'm driving a BMW. I'm like a grandpa driver. I would never do crazy front wheel drive craziness. Ooh, lives in a pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob. You'll be cute again. What you want? We'll go for a ride. Do you like going for rides? You wanna go for a ride? Hey guys, this is Atari Bot. Yeah, got some stuff. We got some stuff. I already opened this, but this is what it is. It's a micro mechanic. It plugs into your car and repairs everything. So we're definitely gonna check that out. It's guaranteed to repair everything in your car. So yeah, just simply plug it in and everything will be fixed. It knows what's wrong with your car. It says so right there. Alright. Next thing we got. This big tin can here. It says for the HHR. So, let's see what we got. Holy crap. Oh, I get it. Ha ha. Blue lights because, you know, cops always pulling me over. That's okay. Okay. Typical fashion that I'll tangle up. Let's see what we have. What is this? What is it? This is a joke, right? I was saying I wanted something for some more power for the HHR, and somebody sends me a smog pump. They give me a smog pump? Why would I put a smog pump on the HHR? Who would do this? What the heck? They didn't get this off of eBay or Wish. They pulled this out of a junkyard. What kind of a crap piece of crap is? Why would they do this to me? Why would I? Smog pump, guys. Can you believe this? Joke present. I got it from LKQ. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry this was all a disappointment for you. You know, I can't even upload this today. We'll upload this day after Christmas, maybe. I don't know. It's just sad. I also broke the BMW. That's gonna be for another video. That'll be next week, next Friday. I'll put that video up. It's too much. It's too much. Smog pump. Isn't that what that is? It is what, right? How could they? Why would I? That's crazy. Oh, can't make any power with this. I'll just take this down to recyclers. Let him recycle it. It's worth some scrap metal, I guess. Some crap, man. That's some crap. Man. Unreal. Unreal. Can't believe this. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. Can you believe it, Lola? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Now, what you really won't believe is that was my wife hitting something in the road on Ashley phosphate, of course. And it was completely destroyed and vaporized and gone when we went to look for any pieces in the road and make sure there wasn't nobody else would get hit, you know, or damaged by that crap. But it was just completely gone. But what basically happened was what appears to have been a rusty old exhaust manifold has ripped the transmission in half. Just destroyed it. It started with the pan, but then came out the other end of it somehow, and then the shaft housing. The thing is just, and it sat there and ran for a while with all the fluid just pumping out of it, and just not good. But I mean, yeah, the good news is that it looks like it was just the transmission that was taken out, and they're fairly easy to find. You know, these transmissions weren't too well known for going bad unless somebody did something stupid like, you know, put a turbo on something. But you know, and yeah, guys, I know that was a turbo earlier. Okay, the thing was, it was. My understanding was it came off of a Cavalier. We'll see. We'll see how this works. And it doesn't look like I really was telling people I wanted something that wouldn't blow my engine up, but would be, you know, fun to play with, you know, for a small 4-cylinder or something. And this is what I got. And we'll see. I haven't really done that much research, but I do know it's a turbo, guys, and we'll figure it out. But now, you know, I've got to do this transmission, so it might get put on hold for a little bit. There's a picture of what I believe is an exhaust manifold. But like I said, it was completely gone when we went back to look for it. And she told me that she thought it was a piece of cardboard, and I could easily see how at distance it would look like cardboard on the video that was widescreen. Here's what's really bad. Just before this, went to Gerald's and we put brand new tires on it too. Brand new tires, brand new rubber. I'm not trying to plug Gerald's or nothing, but they were pretty good. They were good people. Gave me a good, decent price on some decent tires. Ended up going out to blue and gold. And I found an exact same year model, same color, everything. HHR. So, we're going to be yanking that tranny out. Actually, I've already yanked the tranny out. Yeah. You believe it? Can you believe this, Lola? Can you believe this? Can you believe it?